Hello everyone, welcome to the Hindu editorial reading program presenting by Diction Addiction. Today's Hindu editorial title is A Stimulating Alliance. The center will release over 95,000 crore in one stroke to states this month. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman announced on Monday after meeting with chief ministers and state finance minister to discuss the state of the economy and to sustain the recovery from COVID-19 pandemic. After all, no amount of central policy fixes will suffice to revive the country's long, somnolent investment cycle without states working in tandem. The government set aside the spate of recent confrontations with the states over revenue, GST compensation concerns, and their fears about encroachment on their powers to initiate an economy focused dialogue independent of budget consultations and GST council machination. It is ready to acceptance of states' request to expedite the sharing of taxable revenues, as in the case of GST compensation for this year, is a token of faith it seeks to imbue. While most states have positive cash balances, access now to double the funds than usual will help them ramp up capital expenditure. The cash flow could also help several states catch up on their capex targets, on which hinges an additional borrowing limit of 0.5% of their gross state domestic product. The finance ministry clarification that the excise duty cuts on petrol and diesels shall not dent the tax pool shared with the states as also soothed fried nose. The rare and one-off meeting with the CMs yielded several ideas and policy proposals, including a simple demand that center share leads about prospective investors and initiate a clear policy on green clearances. While the finance ministry believes that investments are on the cusp of takeoff, public investments will need to do the heavy lifting for several more quarters before the private sector can be expected to spur the economy growth. The center and states need to combine forces to make it easier and swifter journey through the red tape for potential investors. Commerce and Industry Minister Piyush Goyal has said that just 10 states have joined the single window clearance system for investors, and four more may join next month. It not only makes sense to sustain this freewheeling economic dialogue with the states because economy still needs collective hand holding, but it also merits broad basing of framework to include key economic ministers and occasionally the prime minister too. Investment facilitation was key agenda item, so it would have been apt to include industry minister in deliberation to nudge state to join the single Indo system, closing this somewhat informal channel for dialogue with the states outside the framework of Niti Ayog and the National Development Council would be a wasted opportunity with embedded economic cost. Thank you all. The highlighted words, meanings, and pronunciation will explain in the next video. Thank you.